For 40 years, Willie Sutton pulled off bank robberies so smooth that people called him the Gentleman Bandit. He stole over $2 million using incredible disguises, police officer uniforms, maintenance worker coveralls. He even dressed as a woman. Sutton didn't just rob banks. He was an escape artist. In 1947, he tunneled out of Holmesburg Prison in the dead of night. Guards found an empty cell and a gaping hole in the wall. For years, investigators had nothing. No solid leads. No way to track him. Then the FBI deployed their new secret weapon, a fingerprint database that could identify criminals across the entire country. One print from a robbery scene changed everything. In 1952, they spotted Sutton on a New York subway. After decades of running, America's most famous bank robber was finally caught. Everyone knows his quote about robbing banks because that's where the money is. But here's the shocking truth. Sutton never said those words. A journalist made it up completely. What Sutton really said would surprise you.